Welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the fascinating world of gold IRAs. If you're considering diversifying your retirement portfolio with a tangible asset like gold, you've come to the right place. By the end of this video, you'll understand how to start your very own gold IRA in just 5 easy steps. First, let's delve into why a gold IRA might be the right choice for you. In times of economic uncertainty, gold has historically been seen as a safe haven. It's a hedge against inflation and currency fluctuations, providing a sense of security that paper assets sometimes can't. But how do you actually get started? Let's explore. Step 1 is educating yourself. Before you take any action, it's crucial to understand what a gold IRA is and how it fits into your financial plans. A gold IRA is a self-directed individual retirement account that allows you to invest in physical gold and other precious metals. Unlike traditional IRAs that may offer limited investment options, a self-directed IRA gives you the flexibility to choose a wide range of investments. Take the time to read up on different types of gold IRAs, their benefits, and potential drawbacks to make an informed decision. Next, step 2 requires you to choose a reliable custodian for your gold IRA. A custodian is a financial institution that holds your IRA assets for safekeeping and ensures you comply with IRS regulations. It's essential to choose a custodian with a proven track record, transparent fees, exceptional customer service, and a variety of investment options. Ensure they have experience handling gold IRAs specifically, since not every financial institution offers this service. Make a list of potential custodians, research them thoroughly, and maybe even call a couple to gauge their customer service. Step 3 involves setting up the gold IRA account. Once you've chosen your custodian, they'll provide you with the necessary paperwork to set up your new account. You'll need to supply some personal information, such as your social security number and contact details. During this process, you'll also designate beneficiaries for your account, so have that information ready. The custodian will guide you through the whole setup process, making it straightforward and hassle-free. Now, let's delve into step 4, funding your gold IRA. Funding can typically be done in 2 ways: transferring from an existing IRA or rolling over assets from a 401k or similar retirement account. A transfer allows you to move funds between similar accounts without triggering any taxes or penalties, while a rollover involves withdrawing funds from your current retirement account and depositing them into the new gold IRA within 60 days. Your custodian should assist in this process, ensuring you adhere to IRS guidelines to avoid any potential penalties. Finally, step 5 is all about purchasing your gold. This is the moment you've been waiting for. With your funding in place, it's time to select the precious metals you want to include in your portfolio. Keep in mind, not all forms of gold are eligible. The IRS has specific standards regarding purity and types of bullion and coins eligible for IRAs. Most custodians will have a range of approved products available for purchase. Evaluate your options carefully. Consider market conditions and consult with your custodian or financial advisor if needed to make informed choices. And there you have it, starting a gold IRA in 5 straightforward steps. It's about education, finding the right custodian, setting up your account, funding it properly, and wisely investing in eligible gold products. Remember, a gold IRA offers the chance to diversify your retirement savings with a stable, historically reliable asset, potentially adding peace of mind as you plan for the future. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel. We're immensely grateful for your tremendous support and growth in such a short time. Don't forget to like this video and drop a comment below with your thoughts or ideas for future topics you'd love to see us cover. Until next time, happy investing.